How many times will I tell myself I can't before I don't want to? Saying I can't implies an impossibility of success. But does that mean I don't want it?
Janie.
How could I want something impossible to attain? When I look deeper into these thoughts and feelings of wanting and impossibility, they disappear. I can't put my finger on them. Well, now where am I at? Grasping at things I swear were there. I release any hope for an outcome and recognize clarity, the knowing that I know. From here I learn that although my idea of success may never come, telling myself I can't is the first step towards telling myself I won't, and that I shouldn't even try. So, maybe I shouldn't even try. Or maybe next time I hold an awareness how impossible this thing feels,
Oh, dude,
as
here
well
it is.
as the knowing of how impossible it feels. And then trying until I get hurt or die. Because if I get hurt and I tried my best, that means I can recover and try again.
This tree is huge.
And if I die doing all that I can, then there was
Look
never
how
anyone
freaking
to
big
begin
it is.
with
This tree must be so old.
questioning if I can.